Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Terry. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I decided to do a really kind of dramatic, bold blue smoky eye today, and I quite like how it turned out. So, if you want to see how I got this Glam blue smoky eye, keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. I like to do my eyebrows before I do any eyeshadow, any base at all. I just feel like it kind of sets the frame, sets the look for everything. And you'll have to excuse the fact that I have one hand done and one hand not done because I got done one hand and I didn't finish the other hand yet. So, nails on fleek, not so much. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyebrows first. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in, I forget what color I use, deep brown, and I will be right back. Alright, so brows are on. I just carved them out using a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm going to use that for the bottom, and then for the top I used my foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay. So for the eye look itself, I'm going to be using entirely the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to use this row right there. Yeah, so let's zoom in and I will get started. So I'm going to be taking this light blue here and a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting that higher than my crease as my transition shade. Let me just move my mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I'm in the camera, and then, yeah, so I'm just going to start placing that right up here as my transition. Grab a little more. And just blend it in. And I'm just going to keep going over it until I get the color that I want, which is actually pretty close already. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit smaller, more dense crease style brush, and I'm going to take this shade right here. I know this one and this one look very, very similar on camera, but this is actually a lot deeper than that one. So I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm going to start putting that into the crease a little bit deeper. Oh my gosh, it's hard to stay in frame here. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit deeper into my crease and just do little tiny circles and a little bit of windshield wiper motion. I like to concentrate most of the product on my outer corner and then just kind of sweep it inwards. I find that really helps if you have kind of close set eyes like I do. When you make the outer corner have more depth like that, it gives the illusion of your eye being a little bit wider. So that is why I do that. So I'm just going to keep building up that color. Alright. There we go. Let's move on to the next color. Alright, so now I'm going to take more of a flat kind of regular eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark blue right here. And like I said, in the camera it's not picking it up, but it definitely is a darker blue. So I'm going to go in with that one, and I'm going to put that over the entire lid and then blend it into the colors that are already there. See, it's showing much, much better on my eye as opposed to in the pan. Oh, sorry. I'm out of frame again. I'm really bad for that. I'm sorry, guys. And so far, these are all matte shades, but I will be going in with some shimmer shades in a minute. Alright, so once I've got that color on, I'm gonna go back in to my dense brush, and I'm just gonna help to blend in those two colors together. Okay, here is where we are at so far. I was going to add a little bit of a shimmer color onto the center of the lid, but I am having the hardest time blending out this dark blue color, so I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want to mess with it anymore. This is just how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some liner and put on some lashes, and then we will move on to the face. Alright, so the lashes are on. This is what they look like. They're still kind of setting and drying. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my normal base, and we will come right back and finish up the eyes. Alright, so now to finish off the eye, I'm going to go back into my Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to use those exact same colors I put on in the same order and smoke out the lower lash line. And then I'll throw on some mascara and we'll choose our lip color. So again, I'm starting with the lightest shade first, and where did my little mirror go? It's gone. Starting with the lightest shade first, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. This is really hard to do in the camera and looking at this big mirror. And I'm going to bring this down pretty low because otherwise you won't even be able to see it. Okay, then I'll go in with the next color and bring that a little bit closer to the lash line, and then the deepest color even closer to the lash line. Alright, so I actually decided just to stop at the two transition colors. I didn't put the dark blue down there. I just I liked the look of it, the dark blue just being on the top of the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara to finish off the eye look. And then I think I will do, I don't know, I haven't decided if I want to do like a pink lip, or maybe I'll just stick with a nude to keep it nice and light, since the eyes are pretty dramatic. Alright, so I decided to go for more of a neutral lip. This is a new one that I just picked up. It's the Maybelline Superstay 24 color, and this is what it looks like. I don't know if there's a name on it. I can't read it, hold on. Constant Cocoa, I think. Anyways, it's like a nice kind of neutral brown with some gold shimmers in it, and it's kind of a cool product because you get like this liquid lipstick basically, and then this side is like a gloss type thing that goes on top. So I will show you what I mean. I don't know if you're supposed to do like multiple layers of this stuff before you do like your glossy taco. If you guys follow Christine, you know what I mean. Okay. She's also Canadian, by the way. Does anybody else take a really long time to do their lip gloss? Or is it just me? And then this side is like a little tiny clear gloss thingy. It's like super cute. I used this a couple days ago, and while I wouldn't say that it's 24-hour wear, it's very, very long wearing, and it's very hydrating on your lips. It doesn't dry out like a liquid lipstick. Anyways, maybe I'll do a review on it. So there's the finished look, guys.